NF Audio has introduced their latest in-ear monitors, the RA15, featuring a dynamic driver with a dual magnetic circuit design, plus interchangeable nozzles. Priced at $89, the NF Audio RA15 aims to offer a balanced blend of natural vocal reproduction, detailed audio performance and an expansive soundstage. Let's check it out! Inside the box you'll find the RA15 IEMs packed in the typical NF Audio CD style cardboard packaging. 4 pairs of silicone ear tips, a 2-pin 3.5mm cable, a drawstring pouch and a pair of interchangeable nozzles. The RA15 is arguably one of the sturdiest IEMs available for under $100. While the design is consistent with NF Audio's typical offerings, the metal casing of the RA15 stands out, providing excellent durability. The robust construction safeguards the internal components, although the seal is not perfect. The shells tend to protrude slightly from my ears, necessitating occasional adjustments for a secure fit. Inside the RA15 lies a dynamic driver with a high polymer composite diaphragm and a dual magnet circuit design, boasting a magnetic flux of 1 Tesla. This design enhances sensitivity and provides a stronger driving force, contributing to the overall performance and sound quality of these IEMs. One of the standout features of the RA15 is its 2 sets of interchangeable nozzles, each designed to modify the sound signature to suit different listening preferences. The bright nozzles accentuate higher frequencies, delivering a crisp and detailed sound that highlights vocals and treble with clarity and precision. This setup is ideal for classical, pop and any music where intricate detail and articulation are essential. On the other hand, the warm nozzles offer a richer, bass-enhanced experience. This sound profile emphasizes lower frequencies, providing a fuller and more immersive listening experience with a slight boost to the mid-bass region. This warmer setup is ideal for listeners who enjoy genres like jazz, rock and electronic music, where a deep resonant bass is more prominent. These interchangeable nozzles not only offer versatility, but also allow the user to tailor their listening experience to their personal taste, making the RA15 a flexible option for various audio preferences. The easy process of switching between nozzles further enhances the usability of these IEMs, ensuring that you can adapt your sound profile on the go. Testing the NF Audio RA15 with Michael Jackson's Billie Jean from the iconic album Thriller revealed an impressive audio performance, especially given its price point. Both the warm and the bright tubes provide high detail resolution and robust bass, with some noticeable differences in the treble rendition. The treble on the RA15 extends naturally, particularly with the brass nozzle, which offers good air and a spacious listen without becoming sibilant. With the stainless steel nozzle, the treble can be a bit too bright and metallic, creating an overbearing presence that might be fatiguing over long periods. While both nozzles tend to have bright spots, the warm nozzle concentrates its brightness in the upper mid-range and treble, keeping it more controlled and less fatiguing. On Billie Jean, the hi-hats were crisp and clear with the brass nozzles, maintaining clarity without sharpness. In contrast, the stainless steel nozzles made these elements overly prominent, adding a metallic edge that detracted from the overall balance. The RA15 delivers a fast, full-sounding bass with excellent resolution, and the iconic bass line in Billie Jean was punchy and dynamic, maintaining its presence without overwhelming the mid-range. The mid-range on the RA15 is neutral and clear, with a slight emphasis on the upper mids. Michael's different vocal tracks on the background harmonies of Billie Jean were rendered with stunning resolution, capturing micro details beautifully. Instruments had plenty of room to breathe, sounding crisp and clear with an impressive resolution that belies the RA15's sub $100 price tag. The upper mids were energetic but controlled, making each note punctual, even without the bright nozzles. For its price, the RA15 offers a soundstage that feels wide and spacious, akin to a concert hall. With Billie Jean, the soundstage allowed each element from the rhythm guitar to the synthesizer to be precisely placed within the mix. This precise imaging and stereo width contributed to a believable and highly enjoyable listening experience. The NF Audio RA15 shines in many aspects, yet it is not without some minor flaws. For example, the fit. The shells tend to protrude slightly from the ears, and this requires occasional adjusting to maintain a secure seal. The stainless steel nozzles, while providing detailed treble, can be too bright and metallic, leading to listener fatigue over extended periods. Additionally, the bass, although clear and well defined, may feel slightly reserved for those seeking a more substantial sub-bass presence. On the positive side, the RA15 offers exceptional build quality with its robust all-metal construction, ensuring durability and longevity. The interchangeable nozzles provide versatility, allowing users to switch between warm and bright sound profiles to suit their preferences. The overall sound quality is impressive, with detailed treble, neutral and clear mid-range and dynamic punchy bass. The soundstage is expansive and precise, enhancing the listening experience with excellent depth and positioning. Priced at $89, the RA15 delivers outstanding value, combining high performance with affordability. With its robust build, versatile sound tuning options and impressive audio performance, the NF Audio RA15 stands out in the sub $100 market as a great all-round choice. While there are a few minor drawbacks, such as fit issues and potential treble fatigue with the bright nozzles, the overall experience remains highly satisfying. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye!